Anti-inflammatory drinks are a powerful and natural way to fight inflammation in the body. Inflammation is a normal response to injury or infection, but when it becomes chronic, it can lead to a variety of health issues such as heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer. Anti-inflammatory drinks are made with natural ingredients that are packed with antioxidants and other essential nutrients that can help to reduce inflammation and support overall health and wellness. One of the key benefits of anti-inflammatory drinks is that they are easy to make and can be enjoyed at any time of the day. These drinks come in a variety of different forms such as teas, smoothies, juices, and tonics, meaning that there is something for everyone. They are also loaded with essential vitamins and minerals that can help to boost the immune system, improve digestion, and even improve your skin and hair. So here are the 7 best anti-inflammatory drinks to boost your wellness and health. Number 7. Apple Carrot Beet Smoothie. The Apple Carrot Beet Smoothie is a delicious and nutrient-dense drink that is perfect for those looking to boost their overall health and wellness. This smoothie is made with a combination of beets, ginger, carrots, orange, and apple, all of which are rich in antioxidants and other beneficial compounds. Beets are a great source of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, which can help to fight inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve athletic performance. While ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent and it's used to soothe upset stomachs, reduce nausea, and relieve pain. Carrots, oranges, and apples are also high in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, and a good source of dietary fiber. This smoothie is a great way to drink your veggies, and you can tell from its vibrant red color that it's brimming with antioxidants. Not only does it taste great, but it's also a great way to get your daily dose of fruits and vegetables in a convenient and delicious way. It's perfect for a healthy breakfast or a snack, and it's also a great way to get an extra boost of nutrients throughout the day. Number 6. Turmeric Tea. Turmeric tea is a delicious and easy-to-make drink that is packed with anti-inflammatory compounds that provide a range of health benefits. The main ingredient, turmeric, is a powerful antioxidant that reduces inflammation in the body, boosts the immune system, promotes healthy digestion, and improves brain function. The tea is made by mixing ground turmeric with lemon juice and honey, providing a burst of vitamin C and antioxidants. Additionally, it is beneficial for the skin. It can help to reduce dark circles, puffiness, and wrinkles. It also helps to reduce the appearance of acne and other skin blemishes. Number 5. Green Juice. Green juice is a delicious and nutritious drink that is packed with a variety of vitamins and minerals. This recipe is specifically designed to be a super greens juice, which means that it is packed with antioxidant powers from a variety of different greens like kale, spinach, cucumber, and ginger. The recipe is not at all bitter, thanks to a splash of apple juice. The sweetness of the apple juice helps to balance out the taste of the greens and make the drink more enjoyable to drink. It is easy to make at home with a high-powered blender and a strainer, so you can skip the long lines and high prices at juice bars. This recipe is perfect for anyone looking for a delicious and nutritious drink that will help to support your health and wellness. Number 4. Pineapple Turmeric Smoothie. The Pineapple Turmeric Smoothie is a delicious and healthy way to fight inflammation and boost your immune system. It contains key ingredients such as turmeric and ginger, which are both known for their anti-inflammatory properties. It's also loaded with essential vitamins and nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin D, and potassium, which are all essential for maintaining a strong immune system and overall wellness. This smoothie is easy to make and is a perfect way to kickstart your day and give you a boost of energy. It's a great way to support your wellness journey, and you can enjoy it any time of the day. Number 3. Blueberry Smoothie. The blueberry smoothie is a delicious and healthy option for breakfast or a snack. It's packed with antioxidants, thanks to the anthocyanin in the blueberries. This compound gives blueberries their deep purple color and is known to have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Additionally, blueberries are also a good source of vitamin C, which supports the immune system, and fiber, which aids in digestion. The smoothie is also creamy and sweet, making it a satisfying and enjoyable treat. To make it, you'll need 5 simple ingredients: blueberries, Greek yogurt, honey, almond milk, and vanilla extract. Simply add all ingredients to a high-powered blender and blend until smooth. You can also add ice to make it extra refreshing. Not only is this blueberry smoothie delicious, but it's also easy to make and packed with nutrients that support overall health and wellness. It's a great way to start your day or to enjoy as a healthy snack. So give this recipe a try and feel the benefits of the powerful antioxidants in the blueberries. Elderberry tea. Elderberry tea. Elderberry is a key ingredient in over-the-counter cold and flu medicine for a reason. These little purple berries are well studied to fight inflammation, making them the perfect addition to your daily routine. Making elderberry tea is super easy. You just need to brew a warm elderberry tea in just minutes. And if you want to up the nutritional value, you can add a dash of ground cinnamon or a spoonful of raw honey. Not only is this tea delicious and comforting, but it will also give your immune system a boost and help keep inflammation at bay. So next time you're feeling under the weather or just want to give your body some extra support, brew yourself a cup of elderberry tea and enjoy the benefits of this powerful anti-inflammatory drink. Number 1. The Golden Beet, Carrot, and Turmeric Smoothie is a vibrant orange smoothie that is filled with beta-carotene and other essential nutrients that will not only heal your gut, improve your eyesight, but also fight inflammation. The golden beets and carrots give this smoothie its beautiful color, while the turmeric adds an extra anti-inflammatory punch. This smoothie is perfect for those who are looking for an easy and delicious way to fight inflammation and boost their overall health and wellness. As we've discussed, anti-inflammatory drinks are a natural and delicious way to fight inflammation and improve overall health and wellness. But let's dive deeper into the specific benefits of these drinks. 1. Reducing chronic pain and discomfort. Anti-inflammatory drinks can help to reduce pain and discomfort in the body by reducing inflammation. 2. Improving digestion and gut health. These drinks are packed with antioxidants and nutrients that can help to improve digestion and support a healthy gut. 3. Supporting cardiovascular health. Anti-inflammatory drinks can help to reduce the risk of heart disease by reducing inflammation in the body. 4. Boosting the immune system. These drinks are packed with vitamins and minerals that can help to support a healthy immune system. 5. Improving skin health. Anti-inflammatory drinks can help to improve the appearance of skin by reducing inflammation and promoting collagen production. Thank you for watching this video. Please to subscribe to my channel and like this video to help spread this video to other viewers.